Hey Shirlene, do you know what I love more than sunrise and sea view?
What?
The chicken view. Imagine living in a luxurious freehold home in the heart of District 2, just minutes from CBD, with soaring 6-meter ceiling and a beautifully designed loft of over 200,000 of renovation already completed.
Welcome to Sky Everton. Today we are excited to show you a 1109 square feet, 3-bed, 3-bath, 2-study in a full facility condo that perfectly blends luxury, functionality and city living.
I'm Martin.
And I'm Shirlene.
Let's go check it out.
One of the first things you appreciate is arriving home via your own private lift. It gives you a level of privacy that's hard to find. Only 2 stacks in the whole development has this private lift.
But the real wow factor begins the moment you step inside. You're immediately welcomed by this incredible 6-meter double volume ceiling, giving the home a sense of space that's usually only found in landed properties. And in new properties with GFA harmonization, you won't see this high ceiling anymore.
The owners invested close to $200,000 into transforming this home, creating a timeless modern luxury interior with custom carpentry, premium materials, and designer lighting. Natural light pours into the living room space throughout the day, while the spacious dining area comfortably hosts family dinners or gathering with friends.
Welcome to the balcony. What I really love about this space is the view. You're treated to a large unblocked view overlooking Spottiswoode Park and the sea view. A great spot for you to enjoy a morning coffee or simply relax while taking in the peaceful surrounding. And the zip trap has also been done up. Check out how breezy this balcony is. It's south facing and facing that sea view, and once PSA is out, you get a full, nice, complete picture.
The enclosed kitchen is practical for homeowners who love cooking because it comes with windows you can walk away while offering generous countertop space and storage. There's also a utility space that the owners have cleverly incorporated a helper's room, comes with a separate helper's bathroom as well.
Owners have also cleverly done up cabinet space right under the loft stairs for you to store more things. Instead of leaving the high ceiling space empty, the owners have cleverly made full use of ceiling height and created this loft study. It's perfect as a home office, reading corner, or a creative space. And they have also shifted up the aircon to make sure that this space is comfortable and added a lot of lightings to make it very bright. This home offers 3 well-sized bedrooms, all with inbuilt wardrobes and excellent natural light from the full height window. And all 3 rooms can minimally fit a queen-size bed, and the ceiling height for the 2 common bedrooms is at 5 meters and for the master room 6 meters. This unit also comes with a very good size study with its own aircon. Cabinets has been done up, but this can actually be hacked away to make a bigger master bedroom or a walk-in wardrobe. An additional plus point of all 3 bedrooms is that they have a full height window, having that excellent sea view, and imagine waking up to this sea view every day.
The master bedroom feels like a boutique hotel, complete with luxurious finishes, cove lighting, nice views, and an ensuite bathroom. So both bathrooms come with a large window, great for ventilation, and they have marble finishing, really like a hotel style.
Location is one of Sky Everton's biggest strengths. You're just a short walk to Cantonment MRT station, while nearby Outram Park MRT connects you to 3 major MRT lines, making it incredibly convenient to get to around Singapore.
For dining and everyday conveniences, you are surrounded by Everton Park, Duxton Hill, Tanjong Pagar, 100am, Harbourfront and Vivo City. If you enjoy the outdoors, the southern ridges, Mount Faber and the rail corridor are all just minutes away.
But perhaps what's even more exciting is what the future holds. Sky Everton sits right on the doorstep of the Greater Southern Waterfront, Singapore's largest urban transformation project. Over the coming years, this entire southern coastline will be transformed with new homes, offices, lifestyle destinations, parks, and waterfront attractions, further enhancing the vibrancy and long-term value of this location.
And with Sky Everton being freehold, you're not just buying a beautiful home today, you're also investing in one of Singapore's most exciting future growth corridors.
If you're looking for a move-in ready luxury home with stunning architecture, thoughtful renovation, and exceptional connectivity,
combined with the variety of freehold ownership and the exciting future of the Greater Southern Waterfront,
this is a home you won't want to miss. And once again, I'm Martin.
And I'm Shirlene.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the unit.